Welcome to Sugarland and 2422 Waterwood Drive in the River Park subdivision. With easy access to Highway 59 and the Grand Parkway, you'll love it here and want to call this place home. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. As you walk through the entry, you'll pass the formal living and dining rooms, and on the right, you'll see the entrance to the laundry room and half bath. You'll love entertaining in the open concept kitchen and 2-story living space with laminate hardwood floors and a wood-burning gas-connected fireplace. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances and an eat-up breakfast bar. The primary bedroom features tall ceilings, while the primary bathroom includes dual sinks, a whirlpool tub, and a separate shower with a large walk-in closet. Upstairs features a game room, 3 bedrooms, and a full bathroom with a combination tub and shower. You'll love the spacious backyard, which includes a pergola, and you can enjoy plenty of barbecues with your family and friends. 2422 Waterwood Drive has quick accessibility to major freeways, restaurants, and shopping experiences only minutes away. Call us today for more information.